Okay, so here we are. We're back
Yeah.
with the Cadac Safari Chef 2.
Yeah.
And today, we've just got on site, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
It's Friday night, and we didn't want a big meal. We just want something a little bit sort of picky. I think that's fair to say, isn't it? A picky meal. So tonight, we're going to bake some bread,
Of course.
but as you do
Yes.
on a campsite.
Yes.
But we're going to do a little bit of cheating.
Yes.
We're going to go Tesco.
Yeah.
6 bake at home petit pains.
Petit pain.
What's that then?
Petit pain.
Petit pain.
Yeah.
But it says petite pains.
No, it's petit pain.
Petit pain.
Pain is bread and petit is little, so
Yeah.
little breads.
Manufactured in France.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, so that's what we're going to do.
This is France.
France, le petit France.
Oh,
So
yeah,
we're going
whatever.
to use this as an oven. So we're back to using this as an oven. It's heating up. So, but I will show you what we're doing. I've got the griddle on there, but it's the griddle there. Then on top of that, I've got the barbecue mat, and then on top of that, I've got my skillet thing.
The thing that lifts it off so it
Lifts it off so it doesn't burn.
Yeah,
If you look at the croissant cooking exercise,
But
you'll
we
see
got
it
there-
works really
we-
well.
Yeah, we got there eventually, didn't
Yeah,
we?
So, okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to do some petit pain.
Petit pain.
Petit pain.
Petit pain.
Petit pain.
Yeah.
And we're going to serve it up with some pâté.
I will say this only once.
I will say this while I was pissing by the door.
That's the one, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So anyway, we're going to serve it up with some pâté. We've got some salmon pâté. We've got some smoked mackerel pâté.
Ooh, yummy.
We've got some coarse Aldain, whatever it is, type pâté.
More Frenchy stuff.
Yeah, more Frenchy stuff. And we've got a little bit of sort of red onion chutney.
Ooh, lovely.
And we're just going to have it as a snacky, picky meal, so we'll serve it up later. So we're going to clear... Now, what it says to do, obviously, you take it out
I
of
would
the
say
packet.
don't cook them all because there's only two of
No, I
us.
won't. So these are part baked, so they're quite sort of tacky. It feels like somebody who's dying of a heart attack, you know, sort of like sticky and tacky.
What?
No? Is that not right?
No!
Okay. Anyway, so... I don't know why I said that.
No, I don't know why you said that either. That's really crass.
Is it? Okay. Anyway, shall we cut that out?
Yeah.
Okay,
No.
So what it actually says, it says lightly dampened. So I'm just going to sort of dip that in water.
Oh, right. Is that the
And then
the
pop
water
that.
was for? Okay. That's called lightly damping. Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
And I'm just going to stick. How many do you want?
Look, do you know what? Just do 3.
I'm just going to 3 or 4.
No, just do 3.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay.
Fine.
That means you're only going to have 1.
That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Pop them on there. Stick the lid on. That's your oven.
Oh, okay.
Because what we've done, we've lifted them off that griddle. Yeah, that's the oven. What we need to do now is try and make these really sort of baked and crispy. I'm going to turn the gas all the way down to low.
Hang on. Shall I come round there? Oops. Excuse
Come
me.
and have a look.
Oh, hang on.
Here's the gas.
Yep.
Yeah. Does it say on there Safari Chef 2 as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. I'm going to turn this all the way down to low. Because that's still going to get very, very hot in there.
Okay.
And we're going to come back and have a look at them in 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so 10 minutes.
Yeah, about that.
Now, on the packet, it said this should take 8 to 10 minutes.
In any normal cooker.
And I think when I've used them at home, they do. So,
Yeah, in
let's
any
just-
normal cooker.
let's have a look.
Oh,
Oh, I don't know. It's
oh, hang
hot.
on. Oh, hang on. Yeah.
They're hot.
Yeah.
They're steamy.
Yeah.
In fact, they're very hot.
Yeah.
So let's just put the lid back on. I'm just going to turn that back up
Yeah.
to full blast.
Okay.
And we'll give it another 10 minutes.
God help us.
So
yes.
obviously at home this takes 8 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Camping this might take a couple of days. But we'll say. Let's give it another 5 minutes
Okay.
and see how it goes. But if you want to come over here,
Oh yeah. Go on.
so this is what we're doing. Just a snacky tea.
Oh, that's
Something-
nice.
That's all it is. We've got some, these are perfect when you're camping because
Yeah.
they're little packets. You
Yeah.
can keep them in your chiller.
Hello,
keep them in your
Tesco.
fridge. Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very
Tesco.
much. Where's that one?
That's a smoked mackerel patty.
Yeah.
Smooth smoked salmon patty.
What's that one?
And that's a medium coarse Ardennes pate.
Okay.
I'm sure I have pronounced that completely wrong.
That's Eastman's. Is that a Tesco?
I think that's Tesco make, isn't it, Eastman's?
Oh, right, that's the new ones, is
and
it?
then I've
Right,
got some
okay.
butter here to get on the bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is nice.
Yeah.
And just a mixed salad.
Okay.
You know, you can buy a bag of this in Tesco's.
Yeah.
It's spinach,
Yeah.
it's watercress, and it's rocket.
Yeah.
And then I've got some Tesco
Oh, I can't really see.
finest
Oh, there we are. Yeah. That's it.
red onion. Can you just see
Oh,
that?
yeah, very nice. Yeah, it's because your candle's in the way, you see.
Is
I
it?
can't
Okay,
see very
let's
much.
just move it out of the way of the candle.
Well, that's fine then. I can see it. That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So there you
That's
go.
a very empty glass over there.
I know.
My glass over here is very empty as well. So I think we ought to do something about that. Don't you? Hello?
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 Hello. Okay, yeah. We'll recharge our glasses
Yes.
and come back to you in about 5-10 minutes.
Well, I've drunk it by then.
Okay, so I think it's fair to say it's 5 minutes.
Yeah, about that, yeah.
So I can start to smell
Yeah.
it cooking,
And we
not
can
burning.
no, but I can
So
see,
I just
yeah.
want to take a look because I don't want to get to the stage where the
Oh, you can
croissants-
see, yeah.
Oh, there we go. See, look. So
Stand at the where the light.
all right.
That's
Is that
it.
better?
That's better.
Perfect. So see, there you go. They're going brown on the bottom. I'm
Okay.
just going to turn them over,
Uh-huh.
and I think 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and we're going to have some freshly baked bread
Oh, how
on
exciting.
a campsite
Yay.
because of the Safari Chef too.
Yay!
Back in a minute.
Okay.
Or 5.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's go. I can see a bit more smoke. So
It's smelling actually quite nice.
it is. It smells like fresh baked bread,
It does actually.
doesn't it?
Really
Isn't
does.
it? You do this in the morning with
Yeah.
a cup of coffee, and I think you'd have people queuing up round you on the campsite going, where is that fresh baked bread? So let's just have a quick look, see what's going on here.
Ooh.
That's good. Let's
Oh,
have a
my
look.
word.
Ah, yes, look at those. We have,
Oh, I can't see it.
oh, that's hot. We've got some fresh baked bread
Hang on.
rolls there.
This is a bit tough.
Hit the screen like that, and
Okay.
it should zoom in eventually.
I'm hoping it will. Hang on.
Are we there?
It's not happy. Hang on.
Hold on a second.
Might be because I got my gloves on.
Yeah, it'll go. Just hold it in place once you've tapped it. Yeah? Are you there?
Oh, that's better.
Yes, we're there. Can you see that fresh? Look. You
Oh,
can see
yes. Oh, my word.
that's really crispy. So I'm going to turn the gas off.
Yeah.
I'm going to pop those. You wish you had 2 now, don't you?
No. My name's not Miss Piggy.
Since when? Right, we're going to move that over here.
Okay.
Going to pop that
That
on
actually looks really
the
lovely.
table. And as I said, this is a picky tea. So, excuse me.
Yeah, right. Any excuse, hey.
So what we're gonna, excuse me. Let's pop those over there.
I've got 2 now, have I?
No, you haven't. Which is yours?
No?
A little bit of salad. On the, excuse me.
Where'd that come from?
I've got no idea. Left over from COVID about 4 months ago now.
Yeah.
So a little bit of salad. Let's pop some butter on there as well. Look at that. Excuse me. A little bit of coarse pate.
That looks... Oh, God, that smells lovely.
Yeah. And then let's do a nice dollop of red onion chutney in there as well.
Oh, it looks lovely.
Now look at that. Is that not a lovely picky tea? Just something you can... Excuse me, I do apologise for the coughing. Fresh bread, salad, nice chutney, some lovely pate and some butter. You've got a couple of extra pates there. We've got some more bread rolls we can try there. Glass of wine there. Just a nice picky tea first night on a campsite.
Lovely.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
Absolutely perfect. Look, guys, if you found that another little inspiration, please give us a thumbs up. We would really, really appreciate it. Hit that red button and subscribe, because the more you subscribe, the more of these little things that we can bring you. Don't forget that part baked bread roll, excuse me, we cooked on the Safari Chef, on the Cadac Safari Chef too. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Anything else to add, Mrs.
No,
T?
just can we hurry up because I'm ready to eat it.
Oh,
now.
I know what you like. Thank you very much for watching,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Sorry I was coughing. I do apologise. Love to you all. Stay safe.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye for now.
Bye.